Number of questions, 30. You have 10 seconds for each question. Please pause the video if the time is not enough for you.
How often do you see each other? 2 or 3 times a week? When did you start smoking? I have smoked since I was 11 years old. I didn't believe them at first, but everything they said was true. He worked as a fireman after leaving school. It would be nice to win the lottery, but I don't think it's going to happen. When was the telephone invented? Freddie phoned for you while we were having dinner. I'm going to bed now. Can you wake me up at 6 o'clock tomorrow? There was an envelope on the floor. I picked it up and looked at it. What does your daughter want to be when she grows up? Alan doesn't write letters very often. He prefers to phone people. Do you like bananas? Yes, I love them. He said he would meet me at the station, but I waited for hours, and he didn't come. What caused the fire? It seems there was an electrical problem. Do you really enjoy reading these old books? Or do you only do it because you have to? Tony and Chris are in Brazil at the moment. I didn't know that. How long have they been away? Cheer up. I've got some good news for you. Oh, hello, Helen. I was looking for you. Where have you been? If you don't eat, you'll get hungry. There wasn't anything to eat in the house, so we went out to a restaurant.
Do you know how old Janet is? No, I don't. I have no idea. I was late, but my friends were waiting for me when I arrived. Do you know what a cinema is? It's a place where films are shown. I went to 2 bookshops for that book, but neither of them had it. So finally I bought it from Amazon.com. I'm sure he'll lend you the money. He's very rich. The windows aren't dirty, so you don't have to clean them. It's quite unnecessary. I don't know what to do. What would you do in my position? That's a very difficult question. You should brush your teeth 3 times a day, and especially before you go to bed. He speaks slowly and clearly, so it's easy to understand him. My aunt lives in South Africa. She has lived there for 15 years.